Since I know this, I'm not going to the pharmacy anymore. Garlic is one of the ingredients that is never lacking in our kitchen. But in addition to flavoring our food, garlic has a lot of healing properties, especially when it is eaten raw, even though its taste is not so pleasant. The Tibetan cure is a very ancient cure who had the Buddhist monks to take advantage of all the benefits of garlic. So in this video we will give you the recipe to prepare this Tibetan garlic cure and the directions to take it. Ancient Tibetan garlic cure. Then we will introduce you to the ingredients, how to prepare and take this excellent Tibetan garlic cure. Ingredients. 1. 400 grams of garlic. 2. 300 milliliters of 70 degrees alcohol for internal use. Preparation method. 1. What you should do is crush garlic well and mix it with alcohol. 2. Keep it in a tightly closed glass container and take it to the refrigerator for 10 days. 3. Then take it out of the container, strain it and put it back in the refrigerator for another 3 days, and after that time will be ready the cure. How should you take? 10 drops in the morning in fasting, in the middle day 11 drops and in the night 12 drops. Benefits of Tibetan garlic cure. 1. It helps us to have high defenses and strengthens the immune system. 2. Eliminate fat accumulated in your body. 3. Improves circulatory system. 4. Decrease bad cholesterol and increase good. 5. Eliminates fluid retention. 6. It improves the functioning of the kidneys. 7. Decrease triglycerides in your blood. 8. Improves liver function. 9. It is excellent debugger. 10. Helps fight thrombus formation. 11. Lowers blood pressure.